is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another fantastic day at the shop. Because we are still waiting on a few parts for my car, we are going to be dropping the engine in this car. Yes, and as you can see, Ken is here, and actually we're about 500 feet away and we can already hear Ken talking. Listen very carefully. See, you can hear it. Only a half a mile away and you can still hear Ken talking.
It was like,
it's crazy.
It was telling me it was something, and it was something retarded, man. I was like, no, I'm not talking to that. Yeah. You know, come to find out it's wrong. It was the wrong torch base.
I can. There's Dover.
You fired me last video.
Ladies and gentlemen, drop me a comment below if we should ban Speed Addict 731 from the channel. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, we got some cool stuff going on today. We are going to get this little 302. Now, this is out of the Wild Strawberry 91 that is out there next to my car. But this is going to give new life to the 93 GT that has just come back from paint. Holy crap, look at the coolant hose, dude. That is bad. But, yeah.
What are you looking at that for?
So, that's what's going down today. We're going to try to get some progress, get the engine in. We're going to swap, put a tubular K member in it because we've got a whole pile of small block Ford tubular K members. Let's get busy. All right, here we go. Ken,
What's up?
how you holding up?
I'm good.
Uh-oh, oh God. What is it? I think we got brake issues.
Yeah, it's the brakes.
Oh, well.
They all come off.
All right, let's get this thing in. Ken, are you excited about putting the engine in this car?
Of course.
Okay, well, here we go. Fresh paint, engine's ready to go. Let's get her in here and do some work. Oops, slow.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, buddy. We are in. Corey, how do you feel about that?
I think it's gonna work.
Yeah.
You?
I think it's gonna work. It's gonna work good. So, here's the deal. Car's in. There's the engine. Now, the first thing we gotta do is get this thing up in the air because we're gonna pull. Hey, we're going forward. Okay. We're going to pull the front end out from under it and put the tubular K member in it. Ken, how do you feel about that? Yes. So, hold on. Let's see what are we working with here? Oh, look at there. Not bad at all.
Kind of a shame to take that painted K member
It
out.
really is, dude. I mean,
I think we leave it.
yeah, let's leave it. It's got a fresh rack.
Dude, it looks so good.
Dude, this car has a good rack. Ah! But yeah, engine base painted. I'd say leave it in here and hold on to that rack. But anyway, here we go. All right, so we got one hell of a Lincoln center force clutch. Ken, you think you can handle that? Oh, you broke it, Ken.
Did not. It's a
Look,
washer.
there's parts falling there. Oh, God.
Do you know anything?
Ken, you look really hot.
He knows how to give you a hard time, huh?
That's all he knows how to do. It works everywhere else.
So, we're about to put declutch
There it is.
on the little motor here. That is very nice. I like that. Very nice.
We're going to take this bearing. He didn't come with one as long as we are. Huh?
It looks good to me.
Yeah.
Pilot bearing's good to go. No swappy. And send it. So we were looking at this K-member, and when the car was painted, they painted it all up real nice, and like the rack looks fairly recent. So screw it. We're just gonna leave the K-member in it. And Corey, how do you feel about that? Good. Good. Okay. So I actually got Ken doing some work today. I'm digging it.
Wow.
Me and Ken have been throwing axes at each other all day. It's been a one hell of a day.
I do work all week while he sits at the desk.
That is true. Hey, but I've been sweating with you, right?
Yeah, you've been sweating all
Well, at least
right.
he's in the heat with you.
Yeah, exactly.
He is in the heat with me. I'd give him that much.
All right, guys. So we are going to get the engine, transmission, everything in this car. And like I showed you earlier, there's a lot of stuff we got to do. Sorry about the fan noise and wind and all that, but we've got a lot of reassembly and cleaning to do in here. But this is going to make somebody a really good starting point. And, you know, not only that, but, you know, we saved it because this car was going to end up parted out or crushed. So there you go. Paint's nice and slick. Do whatever you want to do with it. Alright guys, so we kicked its ass today. Engine and trans are in. Now we actually forgot that this is originally an auto car, so we gotta cut this piece up here in the console for the stick to come through, but cross members in, solid trans mount is in, solid engine mounts are in. Corey's hooking that up right now. Steering shaft is in, factory manifolds in. So the little 93 GT is, I mean, it still lacks a lot. We still got a lot of little stuff that's got to be done to it. But compared to what it was sitting out in a field, half cut up, half torn apart, I mean, it's really come a long way. So kind of excited to get this car done, get it sold off to somebody. They can just do whatever they want to do to it. Just don't tear it up. Because if you tear it up, we're going to come for you. Because it took a lot of time and money to get this car back together. But this is going to be a super cool car once it's done, and of course you'll get to see it all finished and all wrapped up right here on the channel. So, we're saving boxes, so if you don't mind, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we will be back with more epic Fox Body content. Right, Corey?
That's right, buddy.
More epic Fox Body content that you can shake a stick at. But you gotta wait 2 days. Later, guys.